Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alma. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. I'm about to do my makeup today. So I have this dinner planned with friends and I prep my face. I am using La Roche-Posay and I sprayed this on my face and I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and I already put some on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna use the sponge, this one right here, this brand, Cram Shop, and it has a little Minnie Mouse on it. I got this one at CVS. I have a lot of redness, so this is gonna cover really well. Since we're using L'Oreal, I'm gonna pull out this concealer. It's the Full Wear Infallible Concealer with a big applicator, and I'm gonna put it on my lid and on my inner corner of my eye. And I'm gonna use the same sponge to spread it out. I am going to set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier brightening powder, and I picked this up. I bought this from Shein, so I've been using this. I just keep forgetting to mention it. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder with a powder brush, and I'm just gonna set my skin, all my foundation with it. Just gonna tap it all around. Okay, so my eyebrows are done, and I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild 123 Sesame Street palette. Yay! Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna get a fluffy brush. This one's by Wet n Wild as well. And I'm gonna grab this light color. It's like a light brown. And I'm gonna put it on my crease. Now I'm gonna get a slimmer brush. It's like a more stiff brush, kinda pointy. And I'm gonna get the lighter brown here. And I'm gonna use that for the outer corner. And I'm gonna swipe it forward. Okay, now I'm gonna get this, it looks like a reddish brown, kind of like a brick dark color. And I'm gonna use that for the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my smudge brush. This one's by Real Techniques. And I'm gonna get this brown right here. And I'm gonna place it on the bottom lash line of my eye. Okay, so now I'm thinking about using this one. Honestly, I want to use this one too. Let's do this one. Okay, it's like a soft pink, kind of like a shimmer. I'm gonna place that from the inner corner to the middle part of my eye. It's almost like satin, almost like this. And I'm gonna flip my brush the other way and I'm gonna try the green. I like this green. That's why I wanna use it. Ooh. So cool.
Mommy.
Yes.
Daddy.
Okay, baby. Hold on. Okay, so this is what I came up with. It's like half green, half pink. Okay, so what I did is I kind of meshed. I brought the green in more past the middle part and I just meshed them together. Meshed? I don't know. Blend them together? Whatever. I think it looks cool though, blended like that. And I think it'll look good with my yellow shirt, my yellow school bus shirt. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I already contoured my face. I used the e.l.f. contour palette. I know I need a new one. And I'm gonna use this blush from the blush trio, complexion trio from the Wet n Wild Sesame Street collection. So let's do this blush today. Okay, so this is the blush, this one right here, and it looks really good on my skin. It actually shows. It looks nice. And I put a little bit on my nose. Okay, looks really, really good. Everything looks good. I don't think I want to do lashes today. I think my own lashes look good already. Oh, the mascara I am using currently is this one by Maybelline. It's the Sky High Lash Sensational by Maybelline. And I pulled the Maybelline Vinyl Ink, the Super Stay one. This one is in the color Capricious. Is that how you say it? Capricious? Capricious. I don't know. Capricious? I don't know. We're trying to figure it out. It's the number 45, okay? I'm gonna use that. I think it'll look good with the makeup and my shirt. Ooh, it looks really good. I like this color. And this is my finished creation. Yes, I'm gonna wear my hair down, probably clip it. I don't know. And there it is, everybody. I hope you guys liked my video and my makeup tutorial using this palette. It's really cute, really beautiful. And also I use this. Oh, you know what? Let me put a little bit. I'm gonna do it with my finger. I'm gonna use the highlighter here. A little bit on my nose. Can you see it? It's kind of there. I like how it's not too intense. A little bit on my cheekbones. Cheekbones. Whatever this is called. Cheekbones. And there it is. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel, my videos, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.